Creating abstract geometric wall art can elevate any space with bold visuals, intriguing shapes, and vibrant colors. Begin by arranging a series of overlapping triangles on your canvas. Use diverse sizes and orientations to create an illusion of depth. Play with a muted background color and then incorporate bright accents such as electric blues, fiery reds, or sunny yellows for the triangles. This approach not only creates a vibrant energy, but also draws attention as the eye moves from one shape to another. Adding a slightly textured surface can enhance the visual depth, giving viewers a reason to linger over the piece. Circles can evoke feelings of unity and harmony. For this design, use circles of various sizes arranged in a circular or wave-like pattern. Employ gradient color fills, transitioning smoothly from one hue to another. Consider using shades of blue and green to symbolize water or warmer tones to represent warmth and joy. To add contrast, intersperse wavy lines connecting the circles or setting them adrift on a textured background. This blend of circular shapes and fluid lines can evoke the rhythm of nature, making it a perfect piece for serene spaces like bedrooms or meditation areas. Utilizing a grid structure, create a dynamic composition by filling each cell with different shapes, squares, rectangles, triangles, or circles. Each shape can have a unique pattern or color, resulting in a visually stimulating tapestry. Explore bold colors such as deep purples, oranges, and greens, or opt for a monochromatic palette for a more sophisticated look. The repetition of the grid can create a mesmerizing visual experience, ideal for galleries or modern living spaces. Make sure to keep the outlines clean to accentuate the geometric precision. Take cues from architectural designs to create wall art that references structural forms. Shapes like arches, beams, or window-like structures can be rendered in geometric styles. Use a palette inspired by urban landscapes. Think grays, blacks, and metallics, mixed with vibrant colors. This approach combines artistry with a sense of place, ideal for offices, lofts, or urban homes seeking a modern, industrial feel. Minimalism can be a powerful statement. Select simple geometric shapes and a restrained color palette, often featuring black, white, and gray, to craft an art piece that speaks volumes with minimal detail. The serenity of such art can promote calmness in spaces like reading nooks or personal offices. Focus on the balance between negative and positive space to elevate the impact of your piece. Incorporate fluidity into geometric art by using spirals and curved lines. These shapes create a dynamic contrast against sharp angles, resulting in a harmonious interplay between rigidity and softness. A palette with contrasting colors, such as cool greens with warm reds, can emphasize the interaction of shapes. This type of artwork can evoke movement and energy, making it suitable for active spaces such as gyms or lively living rooms. Create a nesting effect using layered squares, where smaller squares are placed within larger ones. This can result in a hypnotic visual effect that invites the eye to travel deeper into the composition. Explore color gradients or patterns within the squares to add more intrigue. This design lends itself well to modern aesthetics, making it a suitable addition to offices or contemporary art settings. Dare to break the norm with an asymmetrical design that balances different shapes and sizes. Place a few large geometric forms randomly among smaller shapes, creating tension and interest. Use contrasting colors to emphasize these differences: dark against light, bright against muted. This arrangement challenges the viewer's expectations and invites them to engage with the piece to find harmony within the chaos, perfect for creative workspaces or eclectic home settings. Delve into the beauty of a monochrome palette, where varying shades of a single color dominate the canvas. This approach allows you to focus on the nuances of shape and texture without the distraction of multiple colors. Integrate different geometric forms, from sharp angles to soft curves, to demonstrate the versatility of the chosen color. This type of artwork can serve as a sophisticated addition to minimalist spaces, offering a sense of calm and unity. Combine the rigid nature of geometric shapes with organic forms inspired by the environment. Create geometric outlines that mimic flowing shapes found in leaves, mountains, or waves. For instance, use triangles and rectangles to represent mountain peaks and round curves to portray rolling hills or water. Earthy tones like greens and browns, supplemented with rich blues, can create a warm, inviting atmosphere. This blend of styles invites viewers to connect with the artwork on a personal level, making it a perfect fit for living areas or nature. Break free from traditional painting methods by incorporating mixed media into your artwork. Use fabric, paper, or even recycled materials alongside paint to craft a layered effect. Each layer can feature different geometric shapes and textures, making the piece come alive. For instance, torn paper might create interesting shapes or textures, while paint adds vibrant colors. This tactile experience draws the viewer in and encourages interaction, making it an ideal choice for children's rooms or family-friendly spaces. Leverage the power of bold colors through a color blocking technique. Create distinct sections in the composition, filling each with a bright, contrasting color. Utilization of geometric shapes, such as squares, rectangles, and triangles, ensures dynamic interaction throughout the piece. Consider vibrant yellows, deep blues, or bright reds placed strategically to evoke a sense of movement and energy. This visually impactful artwork is perfect for modern kitchens, dining areas, or any high-traffic spaces. Emulate the mesmerizing effect of a kaleidoscope with repetitive patterns of geometric shapes. Use vivid colors to create a sense of movement that captures the viewer's attention. By incorporating elements that twist and change, you can invoke feelings of joy and wonder. A kaleidoscopic design is bold and vibrant, making it ideal for youth spaces, creative centers, or fun environments where energy is key. Engage viewers with optical illusions that challenge their perceptions of reality through geometry. Use shapes arranged to create a sense of depth or movement, making them question their visual experience. High-contrast colors can enhance these effects, resulting in a striking piece that serves as a focal point in any room. Such art can be particularly stimulating in creative spaces or educational environments, prompting discussion and curiosity. Explore the rich heritage of different cultures through geometric designs. Incorporate patterns seen in Moroccan tile work, Native American beadwork, or Islamic art, melding them with your style. This approach provides a narrative that connects the viewer with history and culture. Use a wide range of colors and textures to honor these traditions while making them accessible and relevant. This art style enriches personal spaces and can add a global flair to modern interiors. Thank you for exploring these abstract geometric wall art ideas with us. We hope you found inspiration to create stunning pieces for your space. Remember, art is a personal journey, and your creativity can transform any environment. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share with fellow art enthusiasts to spread the inspiration further. Your support helps us continue to bring fresh ideas and creativity to our community.